showing you that's how we have Hustlin. It sells everywhere. But it was just like a wild mountain.
Будет интересно.
People didn't come here before.
Давай ты поднимешь Давида, я подниму тебя, ты поднимешь меня.
Ребятки, пойдемте.
И вот так.
Не попал. Веса їхли.
Any ideas? Any suggestions?
Maybe the Yugo keep some food or something here.
Face like a face of a bull, so it has two horns.
It looks like that, maybe, but no.
Genau.
Wait, they will keep a bottle here and that's like
Keep food there, like legion.
No. Deep.
Tuko?
No.
Give us a hint.
Okay, you tell
Give
us.
us a hint.
Alright.
Don't try to
All
give us
of
a
Gather
I
water.
didn't hear the right
Gather
suggestion.
water.
So this is the rainwater collector.
Oh, really?
You know
Okay,
that,
now they
yeah. These tracks are made to direct water which could pass by the directly inside of the collector. And you see, that's why they're still functioning, and that's why you can see the rest of erosion. The same as you saw on the top of the mountain. The water destroys the sandstone that way. You see, so that's why we have it inside as well. So back in time, there was no sources of the fresh water over here, same as today. So but the climate was different, and we had more rainy days. So people used to make handmade rainwater collectors like that. Total, we have 12 of them over here. Some of them deeper, some of them smaller. And total volume helped us to suggest approximate amount of people living here together in the same time. So this could cover needs of up to 45, 50 people plus some livestock that they had over here. That's how we know the population. And guys, here, and there, as I said, they are still functioning. You see, at least last 20, 21,000 years old, they're here, still functioning. We don't know precise age because water destroys the inner surface, which we actually need for the radiocarbon analysis. There's the best spot, the most popular spot for the photos over here. If you see the no smoking sign, from that edge with this background, there's a hanging stone over there. You can get the best photos from there. Okay. Rybacki,
Altumash, एक picture लो ना बेटे. Altumash इधर से आओ.
मैं यहाँ पर इधर खड़ी हूँ.
my phone. You should go there, but you. How are you?
I'm okay. It's not the first time I fall. It goes look sick.
The most important thing is that you didn't have to check.
No.
Sure?
I told it was one video. Excuse me?
I'm
One
sure.
video.
Can you make the photo?
Thank you.
They should decline this experience.
Я ему не сужу, он попил.
Попил уже? Ama düzgün değil değil mi?
Давай оденем шапочку.
Altınlarımı koy vereyim.
Вот так.
Сейчас еще чуть-чуть.
Так, солнышко прогуляемся. Geçen canavar.